New Delhi, DHL Group-owned Blue Dart Express Limited today announced its general price increase, GPI, effective from 1st January 2024. The hike considers a multitude of factors including the current macroeconomic factors, geopolitical tensions, tighter monetary and fiscal policies, inflationary pressures, and exchange rate fluctuations, all of which impact the cost structure, says an official release. The average shipment price increase will be 9.6% as compared to 2023, depending on the shipping profile. According to the company statement, in order to consistently deliver resilient, dependable, and efficient solutions to its valued customers, Blue Dart reviews and adjusts its pricing annually. Blue Dart, South Asia's premier express air and integrated transportation and distribution express logistics company, is recognized for its market leadership in future-ready solutions with exceptional service quality. This adjustment considers a multitude of factors including the current macroeconomic factors, geopolitical tensions, tighter monetary and fiscal policies, inflationary pressures, and exchange rate fluctuations, all of which impact the cost structure. There is a need for a reasonable tariff adjustment, Blue Dart said. Apart from that, Blue Dart also demonstrates its commitment to environmental responsibility by reducing CO2 emissions through targeted investments in green transportation technologies, smarter route planning, and clean fuels. Elaborating on the announcement, Bafo Manuel, Managing Director, Blue Dart said, "The aftermath of the global disruptions in the last few years has given rise to evolving forms of globalization. As of 2023, we have faced the challenges of a volatile global market, yet we have consistently delivered dependable services to our customer base. Through our annual price adjustment, we are channeling investments into our infrastructure and cutting-edge technology, ensuring the resilience, sustainability, and top-tier customer solutions that define our commitment. This includes advancements in our aviation infrastructure and vehicle fleets, the expansion of our hubs and gateways to meet growing customer demands, and our dedication to sustainable solutions. Our annual rate adjustment primarily aligns with inflation and empowers us to maintain service excellence while addressing rising costs." Ketan Kulkarni, Chief Commercial Officer, Blue Dart adds, "Through our annual price adjustments, we can allocate resources toward improving our infrastructure and technology, thereby guaranteeing robust, sustainable, and evolving customer solutions. We consistently refine our systems and procedures to maintain a forward-looking advantage, even when confronted with challenges. Automation and technology have always been fundamental tenets of our operations, not only ensuring customer delight but also enabling us to make conscientious, viable decisions that protect the future for generations to follow."